Evans.
Well, good morning. I keep my face covering right here, and I have one hanging from the rear the rear view mirror of my car as well. When you go out, you got to have those around. We're looking out at the Classic Club, a pretty start to the day. Again, it is allowable to play golf under county regulations. Palm Springs varies. But there are very strict rules about doing it, and I hope everybody tries to follow those rules. If you get outside today, I would recommend doing so very early because our numbers are rapidly climbing. We hit 101 yesterday at both Thermal and Palm Springs. That tied a record in Thermal. Palm Springs at 76, same number in Indio. We've got 84 already in La Quinta and 80 in Desert Hot Springs. That gives you some idea of just how quickly we're going to warm up. Our relative humidity is actually up a little bit this morning. That too is going to change. We're going to see a more significant offshore flow. Those northeasterly winds will start to dry out all of Southern California, and they're going to be a little gusty, especially north of the freeway through the pass. That is evidenced right now with Desert Hot Springs and Yucca Valley picking up gusty winds close to 30 miles per hour. We're not under a wind advisory. We're not even under a heat advisory. In fact, the National Weather Service doesn't issue heat advisories for the Coachella Valley. If necessary, we would be under an excessive heat warning. We are not. But it will be excessively hot all the way through the period. We're talking about 15, 16, 17, 18 degrees above our seasonal average. High pressure carving out clear skies across all of the desert Southwest. It is this broad area of high pressure that's going to stick around for a little bit. In fact, not just for a little bit. All weekend into early next week, we're going to continue to see that strong ridge of high pressure keeping our temperatures in these triple digits, right at or slightly above the 100-degree mark. Like today, 101 or thereabouts. We'll be within 1 or 2 degrees of that on either end of the valley today. Triple digits abound in our Comfort Air 7-day forecast. You're going to need the air over the next several days. The dew points will be low enough that you can use your evaporative coolers, but we're going to be at triple digits all the way through Wednesday of next week. Back to the studio.
All right, thank you, Patrick. Time is now 6:22. Our friends from Animal Samaritans have another message for us all this morning as we all continue